Hello friends. For today's trading, I have selected only one stock and that is Granules. So let me tell you the reason, analysis, the trade and the overall the lesson that I have learned today from this stock, and also I have taken only one trade today. So let's start the video. So first we will see the reason for selecting this stock. So first reason is that a very nice downfall in this stock. Classical price action pattern where you can see clearly price is making lower lows first, then it actually the price came from here on this level, again pull back and break this level, again came to this level, again reversed. So it has given multiple opportunity for the sellers in the previous trading sessions. So that is a different story, but for us it is a very nice downfall. So dominating pressure in this stock is looking very clearly downfall. So sellers are in control. So picture is changing. Picture actually is getting changed from here. When this low was created, as soon as this low was created, then price never came near to this at this level. So also this level was not broken. So here the downfall or downtrend is interrupted. So after this low, price has started creating higher lows. So see, momentum shifting, lower lows, from lower lows to higher lows. So first higher lows was created, again second higher low was created, third higher low, fourth, fifth and sixth. So I have selected this stock on 26th, that is on yesterday. So again at the same time, see the very first resistance level that this price should face or it will face is this, and again the price gone there and faced resistance, came back, again gone, came back, again it was trying to move up. So when the price was actually started creating lower highs from here, so basically I was started thinking that that might be a sell trade will generate, but when the price after testing this trend line again started moving in upward direction. So it was very clear that if this level will be broken in upcoming trend, so there will be a starting of uptrend. So yesterday evening I was actually sure that this stock will give me a buy call, otherwise I will not take trade in this stock. So very first candle this level was broken, and again the very basic rule of price action is that any level of price is getting tested multiple times, then that level will become weaker. So first level, so this is first try, second try, not exactly but near about you can say. For the beginner this is not, but when you are at intermediate level you can consider this kind of setup. So second touch, third touch, here it is very interesting touch, not a single candle, a very lengthy build up. If you can consider, then it is around from 9:30 till 10, around 40 minutes build up was there around this resistance. So still sellers are very powerful. So they again push the prices below, and again when price came here and broken with a great value, you can see clearly volume is also very high. So volume was supported, and again next resistance is very near. You can clearly, I have drawn the horizontal lines. So this stock has faced, I have entered in this stock when the 915 candle high was broken, because mostly security was there with me. So I just entered when the high was broken, when I think 319.50 it was my cost price. So I've started waiting. So how much time it has taken to pass this particular resistance level, and on 324.50 I have booked my profit because next resistance level is actually near and the price is not going to even touch, because why? Double top was created. First high I was not exited from the trade. When this high was created and a particular pattern was formed over here. So this has given me insight that price may not move up. And again, I have also looked at Nifty 50. So market was also very actually choppy during this time. So I booked my profit. So my actually risk reward is 1:3 only. So that is okay with me. But it was a very confident trade today, and I was actually how I have planned. I have taken the trade and executed as per my analysis. So the lesson from this trade is that, so actually do the analysis properly and try to implement as you have already thought and along with the market. So this is all about today's trading, friend. I am uploading the video very late because there was some time constraint, and because of that I was actually unable to upload the video. So please like, share and subscribe the video if you find my analysis is good and if it is helping you to learn the price action. Thank you. Keep trading. Bye.